with Cody. So today let's do unboxing. This bag is from Chanel 22P collection. And so here's the bag, and my SA wrap it really nice. And so let's do it. So here's the ribbon with the camellia flower. And then here's more, the ribbon, stuff like that. And then here is the beauty. So this is from 22P collection, Chanel with the box. And then of course you guys know that Chanel made magnetic box lately. So here it is. And come with the dust bag. So as you know, this is the dust bag. So this is not a classic bag. This is just a Chanel 19 flat lambskin, medium size, okay? So you know from previous YouTuber, blogger, whatever you call. So here's the Chanel, and let's reveal it, okay? Come with that care booklet. Then, let's see. Oh, become also they have the receipt and all other stuff. Okay, all the good stuff. Let's call it good stuff. So put it aside here. I can just put it right here for now. No. Okay. So this is the bag, and let me tell you about this thing. So last time, I think I believe like 3-4 months ago, before Thanksgiving, that I've been wanting this, but I'm not quite sure because of the style, kind of almost like a trendy style. So I'm a little bit nervous to purchase this bag. And that time I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy the classic bag, right? So as you see over there in my bag, you see all the classic Chanel bag plus Hermes and all this other stuff. So this one, finally, okay, I'm gonna buy it. So when I went to this store, it sold out. And I heard that Chanel gonna increase the price again in January. And I was like, oh my goodness. So I contact my SA, so associate, and then she's like, well, you gotta deposit. And I did deposit half price. And then I have to be in a waiting list. And then finally the Chanel delivered it to the store. And then I was so happy and excited. I feel so blessed and lucky. And here is the bag, close up here. So I really love it. And this is the back of the bag. And beautiful lambskin and like a big pattern, I love it. And look at this chain. It's like a vintage gold here. And then here's like a ruthenium, and here's like a silver chain. So this I think this piece I will call still, it may be trendy, but I'm gonna call a classic because of, from today, another 5-10 years, we also gonna go with Chanel chain coat with the chain, twisting leather with the chain, which is Chanel signature. So I think I'm still going to rock with this another 5-10 years. And mostly I'm gonna carry as either hand carry just like that, or I'm gonna be carrying like a crossbody bag. Okay, so here it is, and I still have the plastic sticker here, and the inside is red. Oh, one thing I would like to mention, Chanel, my sales associate told me that Chanel, as you guys know, it comes with the authenticity card, but as of I believe 2020, 2021, they don't make any more because of too much copy So they have like a barcode thing, like a stamp here. So it comes with a stamp. I can show you the number of the still, of course, it comes with all this number, serial number thing as well. It just don't have the authenticity card anymore. So it comes with right here, the stamp thing, and here's the inside, and beautiful luxury buttery soft leather lambskin, and here it is, beautiful, and I love it. So this is it. Thank Thank you for Cody for helping me. It's how I'm gonna wear it. What do you think? So, or you can dress up like this, or you can dress down, which I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so just like a casual wear, you can do that just like that. You know what I mean? So you can just wear like this. So what do you think? I love the size, just perfect. Not too small, not too big. And so I'm gonna wear like this mostly, or I can carry it, you know, from my hand, just like that. Carry it. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye bye.